Hi folks, happy Thursday. Today is August 28th, 2025, and I'm glad you're here with me. Time to dive in and see what the community is buzzing about. First introducing Marblism, AI employees to scale your business. In the founder's words, hi everyone. Ulrich here, founder of Marblism. A few years ago, I scaled a company to 65 employees and $5 million in revenue. But I was working 100-hour weeks, constantly putting out fires. What changed my life was hiring virtual assistants, an executive assistant who saved me hours every day, a LinkedIn ghostwriter who drove hundreds of inbound leads, and an SEO expert who filled our funnel with organic traffic. That experience inspired Marblism. I asked myself, what if every entrepreneur could access that kind of leverage without paying $2,000 per month per role? Today, we've replicated those assistants as AI employees you can hire instantly. An executive assistant, a social media manager, a sales associate, and more. We'd love your feedback as we keep building. What AI employee do you wish you had next? Thanks for checking us out, and excited to hear your thoughts. P.S. What do you think of our launch video? When I was 18, I used to love motivational talks, so I tried to make one. Hey Product Hunt community. I'm Sophia, maker of KomikoAI. I'm thrilled to share our recent update, something we've been working day and night to build. KomikoAI video to video. With KomikoAI, you can transform any video into eye-catching new styles, from anime and claymation to cyberpunk, K-pop idol, Naruto cosplay, and more. Pick from 30+ creative templates, or use your own prompts and reference images to customize. Why did we build this? It all started with the Studio Ghibli trend, how a simple photo became magical in that style. That got us thinking, what if we could do that for video? So we built KomikoAI video to video to help anyone turn ordinary clips into stunning, shareable content. Pro tip, in our tests, posting side-by-side before/after videos boosted views by 3x. We'd love your feedback. This is a big milestone for Komiko, and we're so excited to finally share it. Please give it a try and let us know what you think, what you love, what's buggy, and what you want us to add next. Thanks so much for reading, and I can't wait to see what you create, Sophia. Now let's take a look at HiveMind, recruiting on autopilot. Input, a stack of applicants. Output, vetted candidates, ranked by signal. The creator says, hey PH, I'm Ollie Elzany bootstrapping rocket devs, $5 million ARR. Launching HiveMind, $0 million ARR. When I first pitched this idea to Y Combinator, Michael Seibel called it, and I quote, a bullshit idea. But we built it anyway. Because we had to. I've launched and shut down startups, and one truth has become painfully clear. Your hiring decisions will make or break your company. Yet picking the right applicant feels like a gamble. Anyone who's opened a job post lately knows the feeling. An overwhelming flood of applicants, and no real way to know who's actually good at Rocket Devs, a staffing company. We felt this every single day. Vetting wasn't just part of our job, it was the entire business. To scale it, I would have had to duct tape 8 overpriced tools together and pray they didn't break. So we built HiveMind. First for ourselves, and now for you. If the goal of an ATS is to find the best candidates that apply, then HiveMind is the best on the market. By an order of magnitude, it's the first car in a market full of horses. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Hey Product Hunt. In June at Necton, and I wish there was a simple way to turn our Mac into a radio station, so we could share whatever we were listening to with our friends while co-working. The result is Macrowave, a native macOS and iOS app that makes it simple to host your own radio station. You can use it to broadcast audio to your friends, followers, or colleagues. We put a lot of love and effort into the skeuomorphic design and make every interaction feel unique and fun. You only need 3 steps to get started. Download and launch Macrowave. Select from which app you want to broadcast audio. Share the link with your friends or followers. They don't need our app. It's completely private and uses peer-to-peer technology for minimal latency between the broadcaster and listeners. Being P2P gives Macrowave the advantage of being real-time with almost zero latency compared to other streaming services like YouTube or Twitch, where you usually have between 10 and 30 seconds of delay. This was important to us because we wanted to experience beat drops at the same time while working in busy co-working spaces. Since we released the app, we have seen people host their own radio stations and live podcasts. What will your station sound like? We hope you will have a lot of fun with it. Zoxo Lucas. Hello, Product Hunt. I'm Leo, founder of brek.ai. I built brek.ai to help website owners track when and how their site is mentioned in ChatGPT, something that's increasingly important as more people turn to LLMs instead of search engines. The problem? Most tools in the GEO, generative engine optimization, space either lock features behind signups or book a call walls, deliver vague, non-actionable insights, or charge way too much for what you get. brek.ai is different. Free to start, no sign-up wall. Actionable insights you can use to improve prompts, presence, and content strategy. It's lightweight, fast, and designed to actually help. I've previously built and scaled a successful travel platform. Think SEO plus Google Hotels. And as a YC founder, I've seen firsthand how valuable early insight into new distribution channels can be. With LLMs changing how people find and trust information, now feels like the right time to explore this new frontier. brek.ai is my way of diving deep into geo and uncovering the new rules of content discovery through AI, and I plan to share learnings along the way. Would love to hear your feedback or questions. Hope brek.ai brings you value. Leo. Hi, Product Hunt. Thanks at Kevin for hunting us. Eternal AI app gives you AI agents that think, act, and do the work for you. Website prototype, coding, image gen, and more. Completely uncensored, no login required, and free to use. Use Eternal AI app directly here. https://eternalai.org. Eternal AI runs on peer-to-peer technology, where AI tasks are handled between users with no central control or corporate gatekeepers, censorship-resistant. Speak freely, always. Permissionless. Just use it. No. Signups. Low cost. Computed by home computers worldwide. We'd love to hear your thoughts and any ideas you have to make our product even better. Thanks for checking us out. Hey, Product Hunt, we're a couple of data nerds that are stoked to introduce Dreambase.ai, the database-first analytics for modern teams. We connect directly to Supabase/Postgres and give you instant insights, query, visualize, and explore your live data. AI-powered context, agents that analyze, automate, and report without leaving your data. All in one platform, analytics, ops, and internal tooling in one place. Why we built it? We were tired of bouncing between BI dashboards, internal tools, and event trackers that never quite matched the real data. We wanted everything to start from the source of truth, the database itself, who it's for, builders, ops teams, and founders running on Supabase/Postgres who want to do more with their data without hiring a data team or stitching 10 tools together. Special for Product Hunt. We've opened up early access with a 30% discount for anyone who signs up during launch week. We'd love your thoughts, feedback, and feature requests. We'll be here all day to chat, answer questions, and share how we're building Dreambase in public. Andy and Kyle. Hi everyone. We've all come across websites that feel overloaded with clutter, making it hard to see or get the data we actually need. Sure, you could write your own scrapers, but that takes time and effort. That's why we built apiJuice. With just a few clicks, you can instantly turn any website into structured data of your choosing, and even deploy a completely customized app on demand. Best part is that this is super fast. We'd love to hear what you think and what use cases come to mind. Feedback is gold for us. Hi everyone, Qwen is seriously impressive, especially with its multimodal capabilities from the Qwen team, and it's focused on visual understanding. What's interesting about this? Image question answering, describes content, classifies and labels elements like people, places, animals with incredible accuracy. Mathematical problem solving, solves math problems directly from images, perfect for education and training applications. This is a major differentiator. Video understanding, analyzes video content, locates specific events, gets timestamps, generates summaries of key segments. Object localization, locates objects and returns precise coordinates of bounding boxes or centroids. Strong performance on spatial tasks. Document parsing, parses image-based documents into QwenVL HTML format, while preserving position information of elements like images and tables. Multi-language OCR, recognizes text and formulas in 11+ languages including Chinese, English, Japanese, Korean, Arabic, Vietnamese, French, German, Italian, Spanish, Russian. Hey Product Hunt, I'm Pratham, co-founder of Stratify. Today we're launching Stratify, built for early-stage founders and product teams. Why we started Stratify when you're just starting out? The hardest part isn't coding or designing. It's knowing if anyone actually cares about your idea. We kept hitting the same walls. Cold DMing people to get a handful of interviews, spending weeks collecting feedback, only to realize it was too surface-level, burning time on notes and transcripts instead of building the result. Founders and product teams guessing instead of validating. What we imagined from day one, we wanted a way to get real user insights fast, without all the overhead of traditional research. Something that felt like having a research team in your pocket, even if you're a team of one. What Stratify does today: Stratify is your AI-powered user research copilot. In plain words, we help you talk to users, collect feedback, and turn it into insights in hours, not weeks. Here's what that means: recruit and survey potential users instantly with no endless outreach. AI that interviews and digs deeper, not just surface questions. Instant analysis. Discover top pain points, patterns, and opportunities ready to act on. Built for founders. Validate before you waste months building the wrong thing. What's next? We'll be hanging out here all day. I'm excited to hear your thoughts, answer questions, and learn from you. If you are interested in using our product, please book a time on my co-founder's calendar here. https://belenly.com/aviviaji/30 single quote a link to a demo of the product. https://YouTube.b/J0py7pqe4. Let's stop guessing and start validating faster. Pratham and the Stratify team. That's a wrap. See you on the next hunt. Same place, new launches.